Hey, you're doing awesome so far. You got access to Massfluence with commercial rights and limited agency rights. Now that's great, but there's one big problem stopping you from seriously getting clients for your Massfluence agency business. Now, small businesses could just buy Massfluence from the main site and set up the campaigns themselves when they see you advertise and demo how the software is going to work. However, if you rebrand the app as your very own under your own domain and branding, you'll have no idea it's associated with us. Now, with this most advanced version of Massfluence, you can white label the software as your very own, plus sell it to unlimited clients and let them do the hard work building the communities for you. Introducing Massfluence Platinum. With this most advanced version of Massfluence, you're getting white label the software as your own with the most advanced white label technology to date. Customize the app as your own, including adding your own logo and domain, and so access to clients. No other white label technology goes as far as this one does. No one will know you're associated with the main Massfluence app, and this is essential for growing your own business with full control over the pricing, positioning, lead gen, and more. Add unlimited agency clients. You'll be able to add unlimited clients to Massfluence to let them set up the campaigns how they want. Sell the app for any price you want to as many clients as you want to make monthly income. Add unlimited team members. Grow your agency as large as you want now. You never have to worry about how big you can scale with the ability to add unlimited team members. VIP access to Massfluence Reseller Suite. And with the Platinum upgrade, you also get the ability to resell Massfluence without any setup needed. Don't want to land clients from scratch? Then just send traffic to our already done for you funnel we've invested $20,000+ on. Massfluence Agency Outsourcing Training. Want to know exactly how to have other people build your agency business and find clients for you? Learn exactly how to outsource your agency services even if you don't think you have the money to hire anyone with this brand new scaling training. Plus, get a VIP bonus today only. Community Agency Scaling Materials. You'll get a suite of done-for-you agency materials to help land the clients and scale your agency even faster, available for the next 50 buyers. Inside, you're going to get done-for-you premium Fiverr gigs. Think about the cost of your purchase fast with these premium done-for-you Fiverr gig templates. Create Massfluence sites for clients straight from Fiverr with 1 million potential customers right at your fingertips. Done-for-you community agency proposal. Now, the proposal is the final part before you land your client. If it doesn't look professional, they may bail and find another agency they just trust more. However, we have you covered with this stellar done-for-you agency proposal just for building Massfluence sites and communities. Premium agency business cards. Having a premium business card is still important, especially for landing the old school brick and mortar business owners. Look like a digital agency pro with this edible business card. Done for you community agency marketing teleswipes. Get a set of phone call swipes proven to get clients fast. Now these are tailor written for the community building marketing agency that wants to get clients fast, but is starting from square one with no referrals. Just plug and play these with real businesses to start landing deals this weekend. Done for you community agency cold email swipes. Also, you get a series of email swipes proven to get clients. These are custom written for the community building marketing agency you can send without knowing the business owner first. Again, just plug and play these with real businesses to start getting deals this weekend. Done for you community contract vetted by an attorney. Having a real vetted contract before you work with any business is crucial today. Not only will it protect you and make sure you get paid for the work you're going to do, but allows the business you're working with to know you're a professional that they can trust. Plus, get platinum level VIP bonuses available today only on the page below. Because we need to be fair to the early adopters of Massfluence Platinum and support our bandwidth, we can't allow everyone to get access at this price. So that's why we're limiting who gets in by raising the price every few hours. For a very limited time, the good news is you can upgrade to Massfluence Platinum Edition for the lowest possible price and secure access with no monthly fees or hidden costs. Plus, if for any reason you don't get triple the results or simply don't want to use Massfluence Platinum anymore in the next 30 days, just let our rapid response support team know and we'll issue you a prompt refund. The support desk is standing by to issue a refund if you decide to exercise your risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. So go ahead now and secure your order before this special offer gets taken down. Press the Buy Now button now to lock in your Massfluence Platinum upgrade.